back with another video. In today's video, we're doing a voiceover, as you guys can tell. I'm going to be doing a super baddie 90s inspired model flip out hair cut or wig. Yes, okay, I just got excited. But I'm taking my hair clips and I'm putting them into my hair so I can have a more sleek. You guys should see me right now because I'm doing that little, I got my fingers and I'm like sleek like that. But I tried a new technique in this video, as you guys can see, and I didn't like that mousse. I put too much mousse on, so I had to dry my face because I'm going to go back in with some freeze splash spray. I should have used my Got To Be Glue gel because I like that better than the freeze splash spray. Like, I don't just like using the freeze splash spray, as I'm going to be doing in today's tutorial. But if you're going to do it this way and this is all you have, make sure you're going with a blow dryer on cool. If you don't have a blow dryer, make sure you're going with your hands or whatever you got to provide some cool air and just to make sure that hairline is tacky. Now I'm going to just lay that wig on my hairline as normal. I have a billion tutorials on my channel, so go check those out because in this tutorial I do a new little method on installing the wig and laying the baby hairs. I don't know if I like it or not. Like I'm just trying to look for the easiest method on making wigs natural. So that's my goal, you know, 2019, end of 2019, 2020. I don't know if this tutorial is it, but if you like to do your hair this way, or if you are doing your hair this way and you're trying to, because I finessed it. I'm over here talking big shit, but I finessed the wig and I made it look nice. So if you need help, I think you should watch this video because it's going to give you some further tips. As you guys can see, I'm trying to comb that freeze blast spray out of my hair because that freeze blast spray has made my hair starchy. It's hard as a rock. But you got to be careful. This clip is sped up, but my brain is sped up too. That's why I'm just like stumbling over my words. But you got to make sure you don't lift that wig, you know? So just be careful when trying to comb them baby hairs out, unless you don't want no baby hairs, and that's fine. You don't have to have baby hairs. Those are optional. Have your adult hairs if you'd like. Okay, next we're going to go on with this mousse. I don't really like this mousse because it's watery, as you guys can see it dripping all over the place. Maybe you don't. Yes, you do. But I use this mousse to comb whatever hair that I don't want as baby hairs just back. You know, I comb it back in place. So we're going to use this mousse or whatever you have to differentiate baby hairs to hairs in the back. This elastic band, I think you all need it in your life. What, 99 cents? Go to Michael's, get a whole roll of them. But I will, from here on out, use an elastic band instead of my scarf to lay my edges. Literally, because it melts the hairline into your skin. If I would have bleached these knots on this wig, oh my God, what is a wig? What is lace for 2020? What is a lace? But I'm going to show you guys how to mimic the effect of bleach knots, so keep watching. So here I am just cutting the hair. You know, you're just going to go for whatever desired length you want. I went for a little above my breastfeeding bra clip, okay? I should have just known that that's what I did, but hey. Now I'm just going to further clip it, cut my baby hairs a bit shorter. And the longer baby hairs you have, the more dramatic your baby hair is going to be. I end up cutting them a little shorter. But here I am giving myself a side part. I normally don't ever wear side parts because I like middle parts. Middle parts are cute. I'm like, you're going to see this beautiful face. But I decided to do a side part because why not? And I cut this wig because why not? No, seriously, I cut this wig because I'm a new mom. Having long hair that's not mine is just a lot of work. It's hot. I've been getting the heebie-jeebies recently, and yeah, I just needed a fresh look. I needed a wig because I got another long wig, but I needed me a short black wig that I could just throw on and make my everyday wig, and I think this one just might be it. And I can't wait to see what this looks like in the middle part because I like middle parts. Next, what I'm going to do after this clip, I am going to take my flat iron and flip my hair out. If you don't want to flip your hair out, you flip your hair in. It's that simple. No, I'm being so rude. That's so mean. But I'm flipping my hair out. Now, oh, you see that hairline? If I didn't mess up that part and have these baby hairs, girl, that hairline is mine. But here I am just making the part a bit more vibrant because You already saw what had happened. What had happened? What happened? I was just having so much fun over here. So now I'm combing out that middle part because, y'all, that middle part is in there. Because I'm always wearing middle parts. No, seriously, because of the freeze brush spray. But I'm always wearing middle parts. And who gonna stop me? You should see my arms right now. I got my fists are up. I'm like, who gonna stop me? But I really like middle parts. I don't have a hot comb. If you're a company who wants me to send me a hot comb for free, do so. The description has my email. Go ahead and shoot me an email. Cutting the baby hairs a bit shorter. Then I'm going to take my powder, rub it against my hairline because I didn't bleach the knots. I do have a tutorial on how to bleach knots for beginners. If that's you, click the video in the description and in the card. Here I am swooshing baby hairs because that's fun. And swoosh baby hairs are cute. I'm just cracking myself up. No, but seriously, it's cute. I like this one. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. All right. Seriously, let's be serious. We're going to take the powder and put it down the middle of that part. Then we're going to cut more layers into our hair. This is my serious voice. Kind of like my ASMR voice. I said SMR, SNL, Saturday Night Live. We're going to start flipping our hair out one more time. And then I know you guys can see this gap, the gap in between my teeth. No, the gap in between my hair. I'm going to take some mousse. And mind you guys, mousse makes hair hard. I know that. So what I do is I go in with the mousse. You guys are going to see me toggle the hair, make it look better. Then I go overnight, put my scarf on, wake up the next morning. My hair is hard like a rock. Then we're going to take our comb it out, wham, wham. Then we're going to take our flat iron it out, wham, wham. And then the next day I went to my stepdad's breakfast. My mom and my sister, they both asked if they could have this hair. They were like, oh my gosh, your hair is so cute. I want that hair. And then I was like, oh my gosh, I just did a tutorial, so go check it out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. This Gucci got me feeling like a baddie.